is up, everybody? Okay, so welcome to this one. This one's a little bit different. This is more for the hobbyists or people that want to get things out quickly, a one-stop shop for pretty much everything, which is quite crazy. So the good people at Pop-Up AI gave me this test run for a year to check out what this is. And they've, once again, if I accept to do anything, I'll always say I'm never going to change it if it's good, if it's bad, or whatever. If I can see it's going to be absolutely totally bad and I'll never ever use it, I'll always reject the sponsor. But if it's something that looks kind of interesting or something, I'll have a look at it. But I would never hold back on this. So let's have a look here. This is a kind of a one-stop shop for I would say hobbyists or people that are prototyping, or just people that have no art skills and want to get into art. And this is kind of the perfect thing. So what is it? It's everything. You can generate models with it, from pictures, which I'll show you how to generate these. Drawings, you can draw. I haven't tried this one yet. I will in the future. We'll be doing a couple of videos on this. You can create different objects. You can texture them. You can rig your characters, and you can animate your characters, either using videos that you've done, which I haven't tested yet, but what I have tested was the prompting, Margaret. I've done the prompting of motion capture, and actually it works. Smooth AI motion, so this is kind of what you get if you upload a video. If you upload a video, you can get, I mean, it looks half decent. I haven't tried this yet. Let me try it before I comment on it. And that's it. So it's kind of a one-stop shop for everything, to be honest. So let's have a look. Before we have a look, Ari, let's look at the pricing. It's always about the pricing. Now, if I can just press this, Vita pricing. Oh, jeez, man. Okay, Vita 3D. Let's see here. So, what are you paying? This is annually. You get 25% off. You're paying $432. If you do it per month, you're paying $48 a month. But you can stop it at any time. 3,000 credits. Yeah, 3,000 credits. So 3,000 credits. I've used it, like I've created a good couple of things with it, and actually I haven't used a lot. I've used maybe 100 credits or something. So 3,000 is a lot. That's per month you get. If you go annually, you're paying 432, but then you're getting 3,000 credits a month. It's not bad, man. It's okay. There's a lot you can do with it. Sure, everything costs credits. You make a model, cost credits. You texture it, cost credits. You want to download it, cost credits. Everything costs credits. But let's have a look at what you can do. Okay, so it's something like ChatGPT. You can generate an image. You can say with a clean background that I want to use to generate a model in Vita 3D or whatever site you want, and put in a T-pose, and you're good to go. And that's how I generated it that quickly. I didn't even say anything. I just said a character. Once you're in there, you can go to modeling, you can upload it, you can generate it, costs 20 depending on your quality. I put everything on absolute ultra, and this was the first one that I got. Not the one with, I actually did one without a T-pose first, which was this one. And it came out pretty cool. I mean, from the front view, and it generates the back, generates everything. It wasn't bad. Now look, once you queue these things, the wait time is not that long. I'd say about 5 minutes. Some of them a little longer. But actually, look, it's pretty well done. Now where this collapses is the amount of polygons and the way your topology is. It's not great, but all of them do it like this. Look at that. Look at that. In order to retopologize this thing, you would need something like Maya or Blender or something else. This can reduce. You've got up there simplified model or original model, and it can collapse it, but it's still terrible topology. But this is expected for anything AI generated. I don't think anything does it besides something like Mesh AI, whatever, that tries to do it, but still none of the high-end ones even do it. But the model is actually alright. It's not too bad, Jimmy. The one thing, please do, is give us dark background. White on white, it doesn't work. I can hardly see anything. So give us the. I looked everywhere. I couldn't find it. Maybe there is, but I couldn't find like change the background color or change the object color. Background's better though. So over here, I uploaded for texturing the exact same image that I created using ChatGPT. I also created this little guy, something about a monster, and I loaded this. You can do, if you're on the pro plan, you can do up to like 5 tasks at a time, so it's alright. Ultra quality, default, I just put everything on maximum. If you go lower, you pay less credits. So over here, this was the texturing on the first one. The face never works. I don't know, it looks a bit weird, but the rest is okay. If you had a program, something like Photoshop or whatever, or Painter, you can tweak these and do whatever, but I don't think the UV maps are going to be that good. I've got to check them out still, but I doubt it, let's be honest. But then you'd have to UV unwrap. You can project the texturing on, and then you can just tweak it in Photoshop or Substance Painter or something like that. So over here, this generated this one, which the face was a little disappointing, and the fingers, but once again, I mean, you can't see the fingers in the image, and it generated them. There's the faces together, but still, as a prototype, I mean, it's 5 minutes and you've got a prototype, which is pretty cool. I chucked that into texturing, same image, and I let it go. This one, I did again, and everything looked a lot better. The clothes looked alright. It looked alright, man, but the face, okay, there's glitches and stuff. These are easy fixes. Whoa, the topology. Look at that. That's on simplified, I think. Oh, no. Yeah, here we go. Here's a simplified version. So you can click it on simplified, but I don't know, Jimmy. I don't know. The face, it needs work. It would be good in order to be able to like place it, or some tools just to get accuracy. I put the monster texture on here, and actually that came out pretty cool. I like this, something like a statue or like a creature or something, I don't know. But the thing is, you can texture however you want. You don't have to use the same images. You don't have to use whatever. You can just go. Then I went to rigging, took this, literally hit humanoid and auto rig. Cost 10 points, not too bad. I wasn't expecting anything great. While I was doing that, this is the texturing on the creature. It's not bad. It's not bad, man. Fingers need some work, for the model. There's a couple of things that need, but for prototyping or for creating like a reference or messing around and trying to see if you can create something, like your main creature, whatever. This is a great tool, man. It's pretty cool. So over here, I rigged it, and I'm just putting on the animations that come with it. But it's not bad. I mean, the rigging is not the worst. Obviously, you'd need to tweak and stuff if you wanted, but for prototype, that's insane. It's crazy. So the one last thing I'll try is prompting an animation. Okay, so I finished an animation. I just said a human male walks towards an object and realizes it's dangerous and starts to run away in panic. You generate it. I picked the longest it could go, 12 seconds. And so let's have a look here. Okay, so if you go to your assets, you can see what they are. This is textured model. This is a rigged one. It's got the little guy. These are the animations. So this is my latest animation. Walks. Sees something, panics, and then I don't know what he's doing. And then he runs away. Okay, look, the more descriptive you are, the better it's going to be. But it is there. I don't know what he's doing there. Is he like... Oh, he's planning on fighting it, and then he runs. Okay, and this is another one I generated where he kind of sees something, and then he gets scared, and then he starts running away. So, prototyping. Pretty damn cool. I wouldn't say any of this is game ready or movie ready or anything like that. But to have fun for a hobbyist that knows nothing about art, for people that want to start getting into art, for those that just want to mess around and do things, create little assets. I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, the actual models are right. They're cool. They just really, the topology, you can't really use them for anything. But actually, not the worst I've ever seen. I want to see this rig guy quickly. Where is he? Let's have a look at his topology quick. Assets. Saves all your assets here, and if you ever want to take them, you can download them and whatever. It costs points, more points, but it is there. So this is the character that's rigged and stuff, and this is his map, his texture map. So you can see everything is all over the place. It's going to be a nightmare to do whatever. But actually, it's alright. It's alright, Jimmy. It's alright. Preview animations. Yeah. Works. Works. A little bit weird, but it works. You can have things up and running extremely quickly, and I think that's what the point of the site is. Prototyping, having fun and enjoying yourself. All in all, let's get more and more into this. Let's see what the updates are like. But if this is something for you, then it's great. Look, I would never use this for my professional work. But as a toy, as a hobby, as something that I can just get into and create something, I think it's pretty cool, man. Alright, I hope this helps and have a lovely weekend. Margaret. It looks a little like Margaret's arsehole.